Hello DeepTideTable viewers. Today, we dive into one of the ocean's fastest and most flavorful treasures, the Wahoo, also known locally as Ono. Sleek, powerful, and bursting with flavor, this fish isn't just a culinary gem. It's a marvel of speed and precision, and fun fact, it's a favorite of none other than golf powerhouse Bryson DeChambeau. Wahoo is typically found in the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and the tropical and subtropical zones of the Pacific Ocean along the U.S. coast. It's most abundant near Florida, Hawaii, Southern California, and around the Gulf Stream. What sets Wahoo apart? Speed. With bursts up to 60 mph, 95 km/h. It's one of the fastest swimmers in the sea. Its long torpedo-like body and shimmering blue-silver skin make it both a stealthy predator and a challenging catch. Catching a wahoo isn't easy. It requires patience and technique. Anglers often use trolling methods, with baited lines trailing behind boats. When hooked, this fish puts up a fight worthy of its reputation, making it a thrilling pursuit for sport fishers. Nutritionally, Wahoo is a superstar. A 100-gram portion delivers about 20 grams of high-quality protein, low fat, and a healthy dose of omega-3s. It's also rich in B6, B12, niacin, selenium, and potassium. While its mercury levels are moderate, enjoyed occasionally and in moderation, it's a brilliant addition to a clean, performance-driven diet. How should you prepare this ocean athlete? Grilled wahoo fillet. Thick-cut fillets marinated in olive oil, lemon, and herbs, grilled over high heat for a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Spiced baked wahoo, rubbed with chili flakes, garlic, cumin, and lemon zest. Then baked at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, sashimi or ceviche. When ultra fresh, it can be served raw. Marinate with citrus, red onion, and cilantro for a refreshing twist. Wahoo tacos, served in corn tortillas with avocado, mango salsa, and lime creamer, fresh and satisfying. Perfect sides include basil tomato salad, caramelized onion polenta, roasted zucchini, or lemony asparagus. As for drinks, tropical white wines, ginger soda, coconut water, or a crisp lime spritzer pair beautifully with Wahoo's flavor profile. Now, let's talk about Bryson DeChambeau. Known for his explosive power and scientific precision, Bryson doesn't just apply strategy to his swing. He brings that same mindset to the kitchen. In one interview, he said, "The ocean reminds me of balance. And Wahoo is like the heartbeat of that balance, fast and focused." He first discovered Wahoo during a trip to Hawaii and has been hooked ever since. According to his personal chef, Bryson eats Wahoo several times a week during training. His favorite version, pan-seared Wahoo over a bed of quinoa and avocado greens topped with sesame drizzle. A simple, clean, and energizing meal. Fans may even know that his birthday dinners often feature Wahoo as the star of the menu. Wahoo's ecological role is equally important. As a predatory fish, it helps maintain population balance in the reef food chain. Its preference for oxygen-rich waters makes it an indicator of marine health. Fast-growing and swift-moving, Wahoo represents nature's design at its most efficient. In Hawaiian culture, Ono doesn't just mean Wahoo, it also means delicious. This fish truly lives up to its name in both taste and spirit. It symbolizes speed, grace, and subtle power. In the end, Wahoo isn't just a fish. It's a reflection of strength and style. Like Bryson DeChambeau, it's bold, calculated, and built for performance. Light, nutrient-rich, and striking in form, Wahoo is the ocean's answer to an athlete's appetite. Have you ever tried Wahoo? What's your favorite way to cook it? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to DeepTideTable. We're bringing you the ocean's most dynamic stories, one catch at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. And most importantly, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your support means a lot to me and keeps me going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.